so sorry. I don't speak Greek that well.
It's okay, Naya. You can speak English with me because I speak perfect English.
No, I speak perfect English. I used to live in London for 20 years.
Yes, but that was 8 years ago.
So, have they changed their language?
I have visited London many times. I have many friends there.
No, my English is better. I even had an English boyfriend.
I had an Irish boyfriend.
The Irish don't speak English properly. I had 2 English boyfriends.
At the same time.
My mom is watching the show. But yes.
Naya, darling, I have a Greek husband. He used to be a water polo player.
Really?
Yes, really. I can show you some pictures.
Wow. Πολύ ωραίο.
Εντάξει, καλός είναι.
Πετύχεις καμία με μαγιό.
Εννοείται.
Χωρίς.
Κυρίες και κύριοι, υποδεχτείτε στη σκηνή του Sing for Greece 2026 την Νάγια.